In this video, you will learn how to post Instagram story without losing quality. Many people have trouble with their images and videos looking blurry or pixelated after uploading. This can be frustrating, especially when you want your content to look its best. I'll share a quick and easy method that will help ensure your stories always look sharp and clear. To get started, open up the Instagram app on your device. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on them. This will take you to the Settings and Activity menu. Scroll down until you find an option called Data Usage and Media Quality. Tap on it. Inside this menu, locate an option called Upload at Highest Quality. Simply toggle this switch on. By enabling this feature, Instagram will always prioritize uploading photos and videos in their highest possible quality, even if it means taking a bit longer during uploads. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.